Alright, this problem says that a gardener has 84 feet of garden edging in 1-foot sections. A rectangular garden is to be formed using the edging for 3 sides and the side of a patio for the 4th side. It says here to use a table, but we are not going to use that table, so I'm just going to go ahead and cross that out. We're going to do this problem without creating a table. It says assume that the larger dimension is the side by the patio. What are the dimensions of the garden with the maximum area? We're going to call our width x. Therefore, since we know that we only have 84 feet of garden edging, right, in 1-foot sections, and we're already using x feet for one width and then x feet for the other width, we're going to have to take away 2x from that 84. Therefore, our length is going to have to be 84 minus 2x. Okay? Using the formula for area of a rectangle, we know that the area of a rectangle is the same thing as width times length. Okay, let's substitute what we know. Instead of area, we're going to use y. Width is x. Length is 84 minus 2x. Let's use the distributive property. So y is equal to 84x minus 2x squared. I can see that I have a quadratic equation and that my x squared term is negative, which means that if I were to imagine the graph of this, it's going to be a parabola, and it's going to be a parabola opening downward, right? Because that's going to happen every time you have a negative in front of your x squared term here. Okay. Now I also know, based off of what I know of parabolas when I graph them, is that if I'm looking for the vertex, my vertex of a parabola can always be found if I use x is equal to negative b over 2a. That's going to give me the x value. That will also give me the axis of symmetry, right? X is equal to negative b over 2a. And then if I want the y value of that vertex, I could easily find it by substituting back into the function or back into the equation, right? F of x, or into your x. You substitute negative b over 2a. So I'm going to use that little formula here. Alright. So let's find x. X is going to be negative b. In this case, our b is positive 84. So we're going to substitute positive 84 in the b. And then we're going to have 2 times a. A is negative 2. So if I simplify this, it's going to be negative 84 divided by negative 4, which is going to give me the same thing as positive 21. Therefore, my x value, or in other words, my width, that's what we had called x, is going to be the same thing as 21 feet. To get the length, I'm just going to have to substitute. We had said that our length was equal to 84 minus 2x. So that'll be 84 minus 2 times 21. 84 minus 42, which comes out to 42 feet. So that'll be my length. Right? And we had already stated our width, but I'll write it one more time here. Our width is 21 feet. And those will give us our maximum area, our maximum length, and our maximum width for our garden. Okay. That's it.